The beautiful Ocean Cay Lighthouse is 98 feet tall, making it the tallest in the Bahamas. The Lighthouse Excursion was one of our favorites, and it was only $12.99 a person. Stepping into the entryway, you're immediately blown away by the height and scale of this amazing lighthouse structure. Amazing views are accessible from every floor of the lighthouse. Looking up all those flights of stairs, we are beginning to question our choice. You'll soon find out we made the right one.
So I'm nerding out for a minute here. Tonight is going to be the light show. These are all the lights that are responsible for everything that goes on during that light show. You see them all wired up all the way up through the top.
The free light show occurs every night on Ocean Cay. The spiral staircase winds all the way to the top floor. However, there are 3 places where you can take a break and take in some views.
This is a strategic spot right here where you can get a break.
The views were dramatic and amazing. Normally, the ocean is not this angry, but it was a very windy day on Ocean Cay. At every stop on the Lighthouse tour, our guide Coco had amazing commentary and beautiful picturesque places to take pictures. Coco's knowledge of the lighthouse and Ocean Cay was unmatched, and she made it a very entertaining and fun adventure. Now we scale the stairs to stop 2 on our 3-level journey. The views alone are worth the price of admission on this excursion. They are so breathtaking. The building you see below is the Lighthouse Bar. It is one of our favorites on the Cay, with beautiful surrounding views of the bar, and you can also see the lighthouse in the background. The view from this balcony is nothing short of amazing, and you can take a great picture where it looks like you had the ship in the palm of your hand. It's at this point and from this height where you start to question, are we really going up one more floor? Because wow, you're already pretty high. The views never get old along the tour, and with the waves crashing upon the rocks and the sea spray coming up because of the windy conditions that day, it gave us a unique experience on Ocean Cay that you normally don't get to see.
Remember I told you guys, this garage is for minded for many years. So can you imagine the years of them digging and drenching in this area? The cleaning operation. You still can see the damages on the rocks.
Here we go, up one more floor. It's hard to believe at this point, as high as we are, that we're going up one more time. But wow, is it worth it. You're immediately blown away as you reach the summit of the lighthouse. The views seem to go on forever, and it seems like you can just see to the other side of the world. It is so beautiful.
That's crazy.
Please excuse the lighthouse hair. It's a wee bit windy. I'm sure that there was some epic audio right here that was removed because of the wind. Sorry about that, guys, but hey, this was a fantastic excursion, and I would encourage everyone to do it at least once. Again, it was very windy this day, but what we're doing right now is inducting Coco into the Moonlight Mafia. Well, the excursion was over. It's time for us to head back to the ship for an amazing dinner, get cleaned up, and get ready to watch an amazing light show. Before we head back, we had to get one photo op here because it's not every day that in the Bahamas you're able to get sea spray like this in your photos. No better way to end the evening than to watch those 70,000 light bulbs go off in an amazing light show with a cocktail in your hand. We hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please give us a like, please give us a subscribe, and join the Moonlight Mafia because we have cocktails.